So here we are again, it's the 18th of November 2017. It's freezing cold. As usual, in Rhyl Town Centre with our petitions against Tory austerity and our campaign against Tory austerity. There's the usual petitions, Morning Star, there's Duncan. Freezing, bless it, but here we are, still doing it. Quite a lot of signs up, the Tories out, there we go. Got our banner back up at last. It's been down for a while because it's been being washed and cleaned. There we go. The NHS, no Trident. There we go. So the usual stuff really. All our bags. So should get people to sign now. There we are. So hopefully this will help if there's going to be an election next year. Mrs May's limping government. The Tories are in office, not in government. Someone said the other day on telly, which is absolutely true. So, ciao for now.